Hi everyone. Well, it's been a while since I've posted a new video recipe, so thought how best to do it now in the summer. We're in July, almost starting August, and it's pool season, it's barbecues, and it's hot. So I'm gonna experiment with some popsicles. I'm just gonna make one, but you can do popsicles with any of the ideal protein foods. You can do the wild berry yogurt, you can do the orange drink. There's a lot of different ideas, but today we're going to work with Piña Colada drink and the ready-made mango drink that comes in the bottle. So what I did is I took the Piña Colada and I shook it here with 5 ounces of water, so it's not so diluted, so it's a little bit thicker. And then I took a half a cup of the ready-made mango in here because it's a little bit thicker. And so so what we're gonna do, I have a popsicle maker here. It's just 4 of them. You can have molds, people have different types, so whichever you have, doesn't matter really. The concept is just you can put it in little cups and use it as a slushie. So really it's just to make this fun. The kids love it. You get to enjoy something frozen and cold. And if you make basically these 2 packets, this would be a unrestricted, the whole thing would be all unrestricted. So it would be basically 1 packet, and that's kind of why I did half and sort of half, right? So what we're gonna do here is just take the mango drink that's here and just pour it in here with the Piña Colada, right? And we're just gonna go ahead and shake these together so that they mix. And it's really actually really yummy. So and you can do these with different types. You can mix the vanilla with the mango, so however you want to do it. It's so simple. Just take these and just pour them in each mold. I might have too much for these, so what I'll do with the rest is I'll just put them in little cups and put them in the freezer. And but actually I think I'm gonna have just enough. Actually, I might need more. But you guys get the gist, right? So we're gonna put these in here. And what we'll do is just put the little popsicle covers on these. And then that way, they'll just put them in the freezer. They will freeze. And when you're ready to eat them, I'll show you once they're frozen and what to do with them. And then just put them in here. And then basically you have your popsicles you can make. And like I said, you can do this with any of the ideal protein drinks. So enjoy the summer, really make it fun, and come up with new recipes and new ideas. I'll try to post another one next week, all right? I will be back later so I can show you guys the finished product, all right? Stay tuned. See you soon. Hi guys, and we're back. So the popsicles have now frozen, and this is what they look like in their frozen form. And this is one that what I did is I put a little bit of warm water so you can take the one out and loosen it there. And this is the finished product. So you see it looks all mangoey. Let me see. It's perfect. And so the great thing with it is that you can just take it off the popsicle and take like a slushie. Or what I have done before is put it in if you have a bullet or like a personal blender, just take it off the popsicle, put it in there, put some more ice on it, and you can make it like almost like a frosty type of drink. So you can always try that. But enjoy. Remember, you can do this with any of the ideal protein drinks mixes or the ready-mades. So enjoy the rest of your summer and try one of these next time, okay? Have a great day. Bye guys.